Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, wheel locks, lumbar support, cargo tray. Come see the car for yourself.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.